Hello everyone, welcome to this channel CSR Net Life Science, and now we're going to discuss the syllabus of agriculture entomology. The first unit is systematics, history and development of entomology, evolution of insect, position of insect in the animal world, characterization of phylum Arthropoda, structure features of important arthropod groups such as the Trilobita, कैलिकेटा मैंडिबुलेटा, सॉरी अगर प्रोनाउंस में गलती हो तो, एंड स्ट्रक्चर फीचर्स ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्लासेस ऑफ फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा विस एराक्निडा क्रस्टेशी सीलोपोडा डिप्लोपोडा हेक्सोपोडा classification of insect up to the order level, habitat and distinguishing feature of different order and important families. Next unit is morphology, body wall and its structure, outgrowth, endoskeleton, body region, segmentation, sclerites and sutures, head and head appendages, type of mouth part, antennae structures and type, thoracic structure, thoracic appendages and their modifications, wings, their modifications and venation, abdomen structure, abdominal appendages, both in Pterygota and Pterogota, and external genitalia, general structure and modifications in important insect order. Third unit is embryology, internal anatomy and physiology, embryonic and post-embryonic development, type of metamorphosis, physiology of ecdysis, general feature and types of larva and pupa, structure, function and physiology of digestive, circulatory, respiratory, reproductive, nervous and excretory system, sense organ, structure and types, insect food and nutrition, minerals, carbohydrate, protein and amino acids, lipid, vitamins and their role in growth and development. Artificial diets also included in this unit. Unit is ecology, concept of ecology, environment and its component, biotic, abiotic factor and their effect on growth, development, population dynamic, distribution and the dispersal, principle of biogeography and insect biodiversity, biotic potential and environmental resistance, ecosystem, agroecosystem, analyzes their characteristics and the functioning, intra and interspecific relationship, competition, predator prey and the host parasite interaction, ecological niche, life table study, population model, food chain, food web, arthropod population monitoring, pest forecasting, diapause and cause of pest outbreak. And the fifth unit is biological control, importance and scope of biological control, history of biological control, biocontrol agents like parasite, predator and the insect pathogens, importance of entomophagous insect, order and the family, ecological, biological, taxonomic, legal and economic aspects of the biological control, phenomena of multiple parasitism, hyperparasitism and superparasitism and their applied importance, principle and procedure of using exotic biocontrol agent, utilization of natural biocontrol agent, conservation, habitat management and augmentation, mass multiplication techniques and the end economics, effective evolution technique, biocontrol organization in world and India, successful cause of biological control of pest. Unit number 6, chemical control and toxicology, history, scope, principle of chemical control, insecticides and their classification, formulation of insecticides, susceptibility of insect to the entry of insecticides, physical, chemical and toxicological properties of the different group of insecticides, chlorinated hydrocarbon, organophosphate and carbamates synthesis, synthetic pyrethroids, chlorodiaform, chitin synthesis inhibitor, ivermectins, nitroguanidines, phenylpyrazoles, botanicals, natural pyrenoids, rotenoid, neem products, nicotine, Pongamia species, etc. Combination insecticides, problem of pest hazards and environmental pollution, safe use of pesticides, precautions and first aid treatment. Insecticides Act 1968, registration and quality control of insecticide, evaluation of toxicity, method of toxicity testing, determining of lethal dose 50 and LT50 RL50 etc. Pesticide residue in environment and their dynamic of movements, method of residue, pharmacology of insect poison, mode of action of different group of insecticide, neuroactive, axonal and sympathetic poison, respiratory poison, chitin metabolism, detoxification enzyme and their role in metabolism, selectivity of insecticidal actions, insecticide resistance mechanism, genetics and management of the insecticide resistance. Seventh unit is host plant resistance, in which include chemical ecology, mechanochemoreceptor, host parasite selection by phytogamous insect, basis of resistance, anti-zoonosis, antibiotic tolerance, biotype development and its remedies, measurement, trophic interaction include resistance, breeding for insect resistance plant varieties, resistance development and evaluation, techniques, genetic of resistance, vertical resistance, horizontal resistance and oligoresistance, polygenic resistance, biotechnological approaches, development of transgenic insect resistance plant and its advantage and limitation, cases, histories, insect resistance to the transgenic plant and its management. Unit number 8, innovation approach in pest control, behavior control, pheromones types and uses, advantage and limitation, hormonal control, type and function of insect hormone mimics, advantage and limitation, chemostimulants, anti-feedant, attractants, repellents, advantage and their types, method of application, advantage and limitation, genetic control, concept and method, case history, advantage and limitation, and potentialist of IPM. Unit number 9, integrated pest management, history, concept, principle of IPM, component of IPM, host plant interaction, agronomic manipulation, mechanical and physical method, chemical method, biocontrol agent utilization, genetic and behavior control strategy etc. IPM strategy of the field and horticulture crop, IPM cases history, concept of damage level, economic threshold levels ETL and EIL and their determination, system approach, agroecosystem and cropping system versus IPM, constraint and strategy of the IPM implementation. Unit number 10, pesticide application equipment, in which include types of the applicants: sprayers, dusters, fog generation, smoke generation, soil injection gun, speed treating drum, flame thrower, etc. Power operate sprayer and duster, type of nozzle and their uses, maintenance of application, aerial application of pesticide, principle of aerial application, factor affecting the effectiveness of aerial application, equipment for aerial applications, advantage and disadvantage of this application, pest of field crop and their management, distribution, host range, biology, bionomics, nature of damage and management of arthropod pest of cereals, oil, seed, pulses and fiber crop, sugarcane and tobacco, polyphagous pest, locutus, termites, hairy caterpillars, cutworm and white grub. The last unit is 12, and pest of horticulture crop and their management, distribution, host range, biology and bionomics, nature of damage and management of arthropod, pest of vegetable, fruit and plantation crop, species, condition and the ornamentals. No, there is more units. Unit number 13, pest of stored product and their management, fundamental of storage of grain product, storage losses, storage of infestation, infection, factor influencing losses, insect and non-insect pests, their nature of damage and control, microflora in the storage environment and their control, storage structure, bulk storage and the bag storage, their relative efficiency and termites, grain drying methods and the aeration, non-insect pest of a stored product and their control, integrated management of a stored pest. Unit number 14, arthropod, vector of the plant disease, so in which include some of, I think, microbiology like fungus, bacteria, viruses, mycoplasma. And unit number 15 is honeybee and beekeeping. Unit number 16 is silkworm and sericulture. Look the syllabus. Silkworm species, their systematic position and their silent feature, rearing technique of the mulberry, muggery and tesser silkworm, nutritional requirement of silkworm, sericulture, rearing house and application, silkworm breed, principle of voltism and neologism, seed production and its economic, enemies and disease of silkworm, their management, sericulture organization of India. Next is lac insect and other useful insect, pollinators, biocontrol and so on. And last unit is statics and computer application, in which included the frequency distribution, mean, mode, median, standard, normal, binomial and positions of distribution, sampling method and standard errors, correlation and the regression, partial and the multiple tests of significance such as t-test, f-test, chi-square test, Duncan's multiple range test, design of experiments such as the principle of randomized block design and completely randomized block design, Latin square design, split plot design, probit analysis, use of software packaging like SPSS, SAS for its above tested, and design of experiment for analysis. So that is the full syllabus of the agriculture entomology. Thanks for watching this video and please share this video. Thank you.